Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be explaining to you two indicators which are used in the which can be used in the stock market for better trading. So let's get started. As you can see here, this is I've pulled up a chart of the Abbott Laboratories, and this is the indicator which I'm going to be explaining to you is the moving average convergence divergence, MACD. You can also find it here in the indicator section. Type MACD. You can see it appeared right here. I'm going to need one, so I will close the other one. So let's get started. As you can see here, this bearish candlestick right here, this one, and you can see here that this was its highest point in the MACD. One thing I want to mention here is whenever this blue line crosses below the red line, it means that the prices will go down. But how down, how far down will it go? Nobody knows that. In this case, right here in this case, you see that the blue line crosses above the red line. It means that the prices will go up, but you can see in this case the prices move a bit upward, and again they move in a downward direction. The same you can apply you can see the same thing here. Whenever the prices cross below the blue line cross below the red line, you can see that there will a shapes will be formed here in the downward direction, meaning that the market is more interested in the bears are more interested in pushing the market down. You can see here at these levels that the prices go down, but what about this place here? You can see that this is moving in a bit in a side trend, and then the moving average is you can see is a bit downward. Well, the same thing you have to consider is whenever this blue line, what I would say is a bullish line. When this bullish line crosses the red line, it becomes bearish. As you can see here, you can see that at this level, the bears are now interested in pulling the prices down. As you can see here, that the prices are still in a downward direction, but who knows what will happen here at this level. As you can see that the blue line is a bit upward, but don't know whether the bulls will gain control of the market or the bears will remain in control of the market. Let me show you another indicator as well. This is the stochastics. Again, the overbought and the oversold areas. The same principle, the same things we will have to apply as we applied to in the RSI, the relative strength index. The same things we will have to apply in this as well. You will have to find the oversold areas and the overbought areas and trade according to that. The same thing you will also have to apply here. When the blue line crosses above the red line, it means that the prices will go up, and in this case you see as well right here the prices move in the upward direction. Although this correction types occur, but besides the pullbacks occur, sorry, it's the pullback or correction, don't know, but it's a pullback. Yeah, it's don't know, it's a pullback, sorry, it's a pullback. You can see that at the pullback it form a sorry, it you can consider this area as an oversold area, and you can see that the prices came down again here, but it didn't last and push the market down, as you can see right here at these levels. But other than that, the prices move in an upward direction. You can see here as well the bears pull the market down at this candlestick. You can see that it is a bearish candlestick. It means that the bears were more strong at this area, but eventually the bulls gain control of the market and push the market up. Now it's still trading in at this level. It is trading in the overbought area. Sometimes it came to the oversold area, but you can see here at this level. Now the bears are again interested in pushing the market down, but you can see that the blue line again crossed the red line, crossed below the red line, which shows that the market is not in strength. But one thing you want to consider here is you can see that the moving average, it's moving in an upward direction, which also shows that the market is moving in an upward direction. This shows that the bulls want to, that the bulls or bears, how much the bulls or bears are interested in the market. it shows what will the price action be for the market. So you can use this for price actions, to know the price actions of what the prices will be. And for the to know the direction of the market, it's better to use the moving average and the moving average and the parabolic SAR for to know the direction of the market. The parabolic SAR I will also be explaining. I've showed to you these indicators, explained these indicators to you guys, and will be explaining more in the future videos as well. So stay tuned. Hope you like my videos, and if you want to learn more about the stock market, all I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button, and also comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.